Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video you're going to learn the difference between exasperate and exacerbate. So these are both verbs and they're often mixed up, and including by native speakers. So if you've come across these and you've wondered what the difference is, then keep watching to find out. If you find the video useful, please hit like, and if you'd like to see more videos, why not subscribe to the channel? Let's get started. So let's start with exasperate. To intensely annoy or irritate somebody. Impolite people exasperate me. Public transport delays exasperate me. What exasperates you more than anything else? She was exasperated by her failure to pass the exam. Okay, so we can see from these examples, exasperate as a verb means to annoy or irritate. So the things that exasperate you are things that really annoy you, that make you angry. There's also an adjective form here, two adjective forms, exasperated and exasperating. So exasperated is to describe how we feel. I'm exasperated because the train is late again. This always happens to me. And exasperating is for the situation. So I'm exasperated because the late train is exasperating. So now let's look at exacerbate. To worsen or make worse an already bad situation. I don't want to exacerbate the problem. Her cough was exacerbated by the dry climate. The fight only served to exacerbate the tensions between the two communities. Continuing to burn fossil fuels will exacerbate the climate crisis. Okay, so rather than having to say make worse or worsen, you can use the word exacerbate. Now we can see there's actually quite a big difference in meaning between the two words. Exasperate, to intensely annoy or irritate somebody. And to exacerbate is to worsen an already bad situation. So the only reason that they get mixed up is because they're quite similar in appearance, in pronunciation, but the meaning's actually very different. So exasperate, annoy. Exacerbate, make worse. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you did find that useful, then please hit like, and if you'd like to see more videos, why not subscribe to the channel? Bye for now.